guys, welcome again to a new vlog. Today we're doing a trip with Kiki Tours again, and oh, there's a lot of shit here. Nice. And we're going to have a dinner at a place, a divine dinner. So I'm very curious what's it all about, and I will take you with me. And there's Cedric, he's taking some pictures. And right now we're walking in some kind of field. So yeah. Here there are a lot of piles of big shit. I think it's from horses, as you can see. But yeah, that's good for nature, yeah?
The highest one is called Foya, which is 902 meters high. And on the right you have the smaller one. That one is called Picota, and that is 773 meters. That's it.
Okay. So guys, apparently Monchique is over there. The mountains you see very far away from here, like in the shadows. These are actually pretty big mountains. Very nice. So Cedric has the smart idea to be on his sledsen today. Cedric, how are the sledsen doing here?
That's very good. They are not letting me down.
He will do the whole walk on his sledsen, so yeah, 4 hours. Here we have the Ricard plants again. It's not Ricard?
No, it has to
Anise? No?
fennel, but fennel tastes or smells.
So, guys, we arrived at the spot for dinner. I'm very curious what's here. It's about this place. There seems to be some preparation here. Let's see. Hello.
There is no end. There is no end.
It's like it's a jungle.
We're trapped inside a maze.